What's up, YouTube? Django31793, and the moment everybody's been waiting for, the sound system demo. So, no bullshit, going straight into it. I'm going to show how my system works, and then I'm going to keep it real low, and then I'm going to crank it up and give everybody an SPL test. So, right now, like I said, 420 watts to each subwoofer, 2 Alpine Type Rs, and everything is Alpine R, Alpine R, Alpine R, Alpine R, everything I got going on. So you're gonna see you're gonna get the true experience of what a full cranking sound system is like. Now notice, sunroof is open. The sunroof is glass, it will shatter. I only keep the bass knob I have never put it past halfway without having the sunroof open. I get way too much flex going on, and I really am not trying to replace this fucking sunroof. So without further ado, here we go. So when people do bass tests, what's the first person you think of? Lil Jon. Yeah. So well, I'm gonna show people how it works. So say you're driving, normal cruising, this is the stock amplifier. All the doors are running off the stock JBL amp. So now I got volume, let's say at 25. Now watch this. I'm on a flex. Where's that rocker switch? Kick it on. And just like that, you go from like 20 watts to 80 watts. You want to kill it? Just like that. You want it back on? Which I thought was fucking awesome, because hands free, you don't gotta touch nothing. You just fucking, you crank this, you're driving. You know. You got it at halfway, you're cranking, you're driving. Oh shit, I want to crank it up. Flip that switch, hands free. Just like that, it gets at least twice as loud. So now I want to do a little is this one song in particular. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Rockers on. I'm gonna go ahead and go, if anybody with the Camry knows, it goes up to 60. So what I'm gonna do is 75% on the components. I'm gonna do 1/3 on the bass, just to give everybody a little test. And keep in mind, 75%, 1/3. It goes up, but I really am not trying to fucking rip my taillights out and shit. So here we go. damn. Alright, I gotta stop before my neighbors complain and shit. But yeah, that was the full demo. And in case anybody was wondering, that was 139.7 from the driver's seat, and I got about 140.1 from the trunk. So yes, this does slam. If anybody out there has a car, a Camry that thinks that they slam more than me, please let me know, and let me know what you think of it. And I know what everyone's gonna say, it sounds like shit from the back, but whew, let me tell you, I pulled into work with this thing and I had it cranking, and then when I when I went into my locker room, everyone's like, Jesus Christ, I thought my fucking shirt was gonna come off. But yeah, that's the system. And let me know what you think. Django 31793 out.